How to create a FireKirin account. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official site at firekirin.com. Scroll down and you will see the section that says Need a FireKirin account. Under this section, you will find details to enter your first name, last name, phone number, email address, photo ID, and a message box. Fill out all the information carefully and accurately. After entering all the required details, click on the Get FireKirin Player Account Now button to create your account. You will then receive a confirmation via email or SMS depending on the verification method chosen. Follow the instructions in the message to verify your account. Once your account is successfully created, return to the app, log in with your new credentials, and you are ready to start playing FireKirin. You can now explore the game, participate in events, and enjoy all the features available to registered players. Now you know how to create a FireKirin account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.